Welcome to Moo Moo Math and Science. In this video, let's go over how to subtract negative numbers and also when you subtract and get a negative answer. So let's begin with this first example. We have 3 minus 7. If we look at this on the number line, we're starting at this 3, but we're taking 7 away because this is our operation, subtraction. So we have two positive numbers. So let's take 7 away. When you take numbers away, we're going to move in this direction. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we end up at negative 4. So 3, and if you take away 7, you're going to end up at negative 4. In this next example, let's again look on the number line, and we're going to start at 2, and we're going to take 8 away. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we end up at negative 6. So again, this is the operation. So we're taking 8 away from 2. If we look at one more example, let's say 1 minus 5, and that would be negative 4 because you're taking 5 away from 1. Let's look at another example. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this next one, but let's first look at it on the number line. So we have 3 here. Now, if we were just subtracting 2, you would go in this direction. But negative 2 is the opposite. So we're going to go in this direction. Okay, so we go 1, 2, so it equals 5. So let's now use SADs and see if we can get the same answer. Remember, anytime you have minus a negative, we're going to convert this to a positive. Okay, now we have a positive 3 and a positive 2. So I'm going to place 3 over 2. I'm going to place the 3 there because it's larger. And now we have same signs, so we will add, because remember, same, you add, so that becomes 5, and you keep the same sign, which is positive. So there's our answer. Now let's take a look at these two problems. We have a subtraction problem. We have a negative 2 and a 5. Let's first take a look at it on the number line. We begin at negative 2, and we take 5 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that gives us a negative 7. One way you can look at a problem like this is you have negative 2 minus 5. Well, what you can do is change the subtraction to addition and then make the 5 a negative 5. Then you just have addition and same sign, so you add and keep the sign. So that's 5 plus 2 is 7, and keep the sign. Let's do the same thing again with this problem. We're beginning at negative 1. We're going to take 4 away because of the subtraction. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and that gives us a negative 5. And again, another way you can look at it, you have negative 1 minus 4. Okay, we're going to change it into an addition problem. So the subtraction becomes addition, and the 4 becomes a negative 4, and that gives us negative 5. I hope this was helpful.